friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make underwater volcano. Are you excited? Me too. Come on, Kalavati. Come on, what things we need? Measuring cup, red color. We don't want to dirty our hands. One stirrer, 1 spoon, baking soda, citric acid, water, oil and test tube. Okay, let's start. Come on, Kalavati. Let's start. Take 10 ml of water. First, let's open. Let's pour water into the test tube. Okay. Take the red color. Don't put so much, only 2 drops. One, two. Keep it aside. Let's mix. See, red color. Let's keep it aside. Then let's take baking soda and spoon. Only 1 scoop, not 2 scoops. See? Let's keep it aside. Again, let's take and measuring cup and only 20 ml of oil. Okay. Take help of your mommy or your daddy for oil. Be careful. Okay. Let's pour. Okay, let's keep aside. Okay, take acid. Open the acid. Only 1 scoop, not 2 scoops. Be careful. See, when you mix citric acid and baking soda, it releases carbon dioxide. Do you see the bubbles are coming slowly to the up? Because the oil is thicker and stickier than water. This property is called viscosity. I hope you